Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and you already know. Press the subscribe button. Also make sure you like, share, and once again, subscribe to this channel. As y'all know, I've been on a roll with these Amazon wigs, and y'all know I only want to review the ones that I feel like would definitely be good to have in your closet. So today I'm trying something really new. This is also a headband wig, but it's like a headband ponytail wig. Now I got this from the Amazon vendor Clione, and yeah, I was so excited to try it because I like wearing my hair up in a ponytail, but sometimes I don't feel like really putting it in a ponytail that could possibly cause like traction around the edges, or you already know where I'm getting at when it comes to ponytails. So with this one, this is like an all-in-one like headband wig. It's a wig, it's a headband wig because it has a headband already attached to it, and it already has like an area in the back that is the ponytail part, and it has this fluffy part of hair as the bang. Now looking at this, y'all, it looked like a mess. Okay, you know, I took it out of the bag, and in the plastic bag I did receive these earrings as well, so I wanted to put it on. And yeah, I'm just gonna go straight into it because we'll just see how it goes. So it has this elastic drawstring band, I guess, for you to tighten it up in the back. There's no specific or special way I'm gonna put this on. I'm just gonna put it on. Ugh. So now this part, when I was looking in the pictures, is actually supposed to like cover like the top of your ears, or that's how the mannequin model and model wore it. So that's all I did was put it on. It's definitely big head friendly, I can definitely say that. And I guess in the back I'm gonna use the drawstring to tighten it up, and I guess I could just put that under like that and fluff it out, and that's it. Like, that is it. Now as far as the bangs, I'm gonna just shift this back so that I can see and fluff up this ponytail a little bit more. Oh, okay, so this was really quick. This was very fast. I put this on in less than a minute. This is one of those wigs you could definitely throw on and go out and run to the store, or if somebody's coming over real quick and your hair is just in cornrows, like mine is always in cornrows, you can definitely go ahead and throw this on. Now you might have to do some work with the bang. It is a bit fluffy, so you can't get creative with the bang. You know, probably do like a little, little side action type of bang, left or right, or if you just want it like all in the front, you most certainly can. And this hair is very full. It doesn't feel like all the way dry, but it does have a bunch of coarseness to it, and it feels like natural hair. So yeah, this is how she looks. This is what she's giving. I mean, you definitely want to play with the bangs. Now, I'm not good with scissors. Y'all already know that if y'all not new with my channel. So, I try to work with the wig the way how it is, and, manipulate it to my liking. I'm trying to think, like, should I do, like, a side bang? I think I want to do, like, a side bang. And I don't know how that looks. But I think I like the whole side bang action that is given to me. So just find a way to stuff it. If I had my bobby pins next to me, I will probably just stuff it there just to keep the bang in place. But this is really cute. I got it in this color. It does have some highlights in the color. It seems like a 1B42 with a dab of 27 highlights, and I really love this color combination. But they do have like a natural 1B color if you are more interested in that one. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to give you a 360. So this is how it looks all in the front. This is how it looks on the left side. This is how it looks in the back, and this is how it looks on the right side. So yeah, go ahead, check them out. definitely go ahead and get this one. Go ahead. Like, I would get this in a 1B just to have it stashed in the corner somewhere. This is like an airport wig. Like, if I'm going to go see my dad, I'll probably just wear this one to the airport because I don't be going anywhere anyway. But this is just one of those wigs where I could just take off when I'm asleep and put it back on when I'm around company. So, yeah. Until then, make sure you check out the link below to check out the hair vendor on Amazon. Make sure you check out this wig. And make sure you check out my next slay. Also, stay beautiful, stay positive, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, y'all. Bye.
I'm a big city, me.